Here we've got a OnePlus 6 Pro, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select apps and notifications, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on Special App Access tab. Here locate and select Install Unknown Apps, and now as you can see, you can give permission for some particular application. So for example, if you would like to install some app from Chrome, just click on Chrome and then allow from this source. Then you can pick whichever source you would like to give this permission to and tap on the switcher. So for example, it's for Instagram. And that would be all, so you can activate installation of apps from unknown sources in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.